How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now. And as always, I appreciate everybody that takes time out of their busy schedules to watch my videos. We all know that a while back, the ATF came after forced reset triggers, as well as wide open triggers. And in their great wisdom, the ATF said that they were machine guns. And we all know that they weren't. And then after the ATF deemed they were machine guns, they sent out their Gestapo members to the homes of people that purchased those triggers to voluntarily turn them in and or confiscate them. And we've all seen a few videos of that happening. But now if you go to the ATF's website, atf.gov, they have a section called What's New. And on the date of February 10th, 2025, it says rare breed triggers, FRT-15s, and wide open triggers, WOTS, returns. And if you click onto that, it brings you to this page. And what the letter is, and I'll go through it in its entirety in a minute, that the ATF confiscated these triggers, and then after a court win, they're now going to return the triggers to the people they stole them from. So let's take a closer look at the letter. As part of a recall effort, that's right, they called it a recall effort, but they weren't defective, so you definitely can't call them a recall effort. Individuals may have received a warning notice entitled, "You may be in violation of federal law," from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms Explosives, ATF, regarding forced reset triggers, FRT devices. The warning notice stated that FRTs had been classified by ATF as machine guns, pursuant to the National Firearms Act, NFA. Their manufacture was unlawful, and thus possession was unlawful, under both the NFA and Gun Control Act. On July 23, 2024, the United States District Court for the Northern District of Texas held in National Association for Gun Rights versus Garland that rare breed FRT-15s and wide open triggers, WOTs, are not machine guns under the NFA, and as such, their possession is not in violation of federal law. This posting provides notification of judicial decision. However, please note, some states independently prohibit the possession of forced reset triggers or trigger activating devices. ATF has begun sending notices to owners of forced reset triggers, specifically rare breed triggers, FRT-15s, and wide open triggers, in ATF custody that were seized as part of the earlier recall effort, with instructions to request their return. There they are with that recall effort. In July 23, 2024, in National Association of Gun Rights versus Garland, ND, Texas, the United States District Court for the Northern District of Texas ordered the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives, ATF, to return all parties, including manufacturers, distributors, resellers, and individuals of all FRTs and FRT components confiscated or seized. Specifically, the following forced reset triggers, FRTs, rare breed triggers, FRT-15s, and wide open triggers, WOT. The court order requiring return of certain FRTs only applies to the parties in the litigation, specifically the three named individual plaintiffs, and commercial and individual members as of August 9th, 2023, of two organizations, National Association for Gun Rights and Texas Gun Rights. Additionally, persons prohibited from possessing firearms are not covered by this order. Please note, some states independently prohibited the possession of forced reset triggers or trigger activating devices. So the judge ruled pretty much that the ATF was wrong for confiscating these triggers and deeming them machine guns. And now they have to return the ones that they confiscated/seized. And it's just comical that they called it a recall. And quite a bit of this information we knew about, but this was the newest update as of February 10th of this year. And as always, I would really like to hear your thoughts about today's video in the comments section. And if you enjoy videos like this, and also if you would like to help the channel out and help us to continue to grow, if you would just take a few seconds of your time to like, share, and subscribe, and hit those post notifications, I would be very grateful if you did so. And I invite all of you to come back and watch my next video.